Now we get to this point in a drawing where you're like, hey, look, everything's good except for the feet. What do I do? Well, that's what this video is all about. I'm going to teach you how to draw the feet. I mean the shoes. The shoes. I'm going to teach you how to draw the shoes. This is not going to be the most beautiful shoe in the world, okay? In fact, it's going to kind of be ugly, but it'll save your life in your sketches. It'll be super simple, and you can do these shoes in literally like 10.5 seconds. Okay, watch this. So we're gonna use really good art supplies for this. So we're going, is it Halloween? No. Is it even close to Halloween while I'm recording this? No, but we're gonna break out our trick-or-treat pencil anyway, because this is the, oh crap. This is the highest quality pencils that we can find. So we're just gonna, there. We're not even gonna draw on paper. Okay, that's right. We don't even need paper. We're just gonna clear off our desk. Get out of here. Ah! Now watch this. We're gonna do a bunch of triangles, okay? So here we go. There's one. You following me so far? Ready for this? Now watch. You make lines going up here. And then boom, all of a sudden you have this beautiful shoe. Crap. There. I should have thought this through a little bit more, but we're just gonna roll with it. Ooh, look at that, beautiful shoe. Let's do another one. Here we go. This is gonna be like the side view, okay? Draw like a squiggly shape right here. Now watch this, okay? You're gonna curve it up a little bit. And then now you have this weird squiggly shape. It's kind of in the shape of the shoe, so you're gonna kind of maybe, I don't know, smooth it out a little bit. And then add like a little tonguey thing up here. Wow, look, it's the shape of a shoe. And then you can do a line going, following the bottom thing all the way across. So that's like the, what, I don't know what the anatomy of a shoe is. It's like the bottom thing of a shoe. What, it's like this part right here. Oh, I messed up my drawing, man. I shouldn't have done that. Crap. Whatever. And then we'll draw a little thingy for the toe. And then a bunch of little lines going across here. And then, oh, here we go. You fill in the side. And watch this. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. It's a shoe. And we're done. Okay, moving on. Next shoe. What's another one oh, straight side view. Okay, we could do a straight side view. Okay, start with like a little triangle thing. That's not even actually, technically none of these lines are even touching. That's okay, we don't really care about that. We're gonna curve this up. Because shoes, like, when you put your shoe down, it like, look, I can put my fingers underneath this, right? It doesn't actually, like, it doesn't actually touch all the way at the bottom. That would be weird, right? So like, let's see if you can. It doesn't actually touch all the way at the bottom, like it comes up a little bit. See that shadow? Let's see if I can trace it. That didn't make any sense. Why did I try to trace the shadow? Anyway, curve it up, right? So you can slide your fingers underneath, and then bring it up perpendicular to it at a right angle, like, you know, the lost thing, where it's like that. It's like perpendicular, right angle. Math.
Notice that we have a right triangle, so we can use the Pythagorean theorem.
Okay, so here's the Pythagorean theorem, or Pythag, as the cool kids say. Just don't call it the Pythagorean theorem like I did when I was little. It's definitely wrong, definitely weird, and the wrong emphasis for the syllables.
Emphasis for the syllables. You said it. You didn't say emphasis for the syllables. You said falafel. You're a funny teacher. Okay, what else do you have to say?
It's a squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Educational video. I'm not going to present this as a how to draw video. This really is just a collaboration. I would like to keep short so that you can go.
Okay, done. No more. Stop. Math. Then you can bring it across here. And you don't want it to be like that, right? That's not a shoe. And oh shoot, you can't even see it. Nice job, Andrew.
Nice job, team.
All right, so that's not a shoe. That's not a shoe either. It's got to be like in between these. You can bump out the heel a little bit because the heel sticks out. Like, look at my shoe. These, here, let me tuck in my pants so that you can see. Hold on. The back of my leg goes through here, but then this thing sticks out. Like if I were to continue this, it would have like that much room, okay? So bump out the heel a little bit. And then you do the same thing as we did like this guy. Oops, that's not my, as this guy. You do this thing, oh, you can't even see, hold on. Do this thing going parallel. And then a little thing for the toe. Oh man, I messed up again. How do I erase this? Will it work with an eraser? Wow. All right, well, that worked. Ah, crap. Then it's just the same thing. Make some lines. Oh yeah, the thing for the tongue. And then color it in. And I don't want to, there. Wow, that's so beautiful. Look at that. And then if you want extra bonus points, what you can do is, you can do like this little Converse thing. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, it's the most amazing shoe that I've ever seen in my entire life. That's it. I'm gonna do an actual character using this method, and the drawing's not gonna look like vomit on the desk, so I'm just gonna go to time-lapse mode. Ka-chow.
What just happened?
You what?
He makes me sick. He was so ugly that everyone died.
Yeah, we get to this point in a drawing where you're like, hey, look, everything's good except for the feet. What do I do? Well, that's what this video is all about. I'm gonna teach you how to draw the feet. I mean the shoes. The shoes. I found it. We're gonna draw with that. We're gonna just do the freaking shoes with this. With this. With this. With this.
This is for your own good.
What just happened?
Feels so good. Okay, now we gotta add some shadow to it. Hey, come on. Well, this is probably the part where I'm gonna mess everything up. Yeah. Oh, I messed up his hand. Get back here, Mr. Hand. I ain't done with you yet, boy. Hey, look at that. That's a character. Look at those shoes. Yeezys. Boy, are those Supremes. Oh, we got some Gucci shoes up in here. Beautiful. Now we can play. I don't think spit is the right thing. Maybe I should have thought this through a little bit more. Oh no, it's working. 10 gallons of spit later. That was easy. Now wait for it to dry and draw a girl. In the meantime, let's look at some cats. Oh my god! Okay, are we back? Okay, we're back. This one is a little bit better quality. I destroyed this in one of my videos. Start out with some really good lines. Nope, I don't like it. Nah!
You what?
So there you go. There's your shoes. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
So our answer is 10 equals x.